So you've completed an assignment and would like to submit your ePortfolio for a course. First off, it's worth knowing there are certain classes that require you to submit your ePortfolios and certain ones that don't. Saving, publishing, and submitting your ePortfolios are three very different things, so you'll want to confirm with your instructor that this submission step is in fact required. Also, just take a second and make sure you publish your work. For information on how and why you should publish, watch our tutorial on publishing. Okay, so from your portfolio, click the Portfolio Actions menu at the top right. Click the Submit to Course option. Here we can see a list of assignment titles paired with their respective course names. Be sure to select the correct course assignment. If you don't see your assignment listed, it may be past its due date. Be sure to confirm this with your instructor. Once you've selected the assignment you're submitting, you must select which portfolio pages to turn in as your content. If the check mark to the left of any page title is green, that means it has been selected for submission. Click that check mark to select or deselect pages to publish. Once you've chosen the desired pages, click the blue Submit button on the bottom right. Now, on the bottom left you have the option to undo your submission if you made a mistake. To the right of that, you can check your submitted pages in another tab. If you're satisfied with your submission, you can close the window by clicking the X on the top right of the page.